Here we are. Asa si Vincis ano bay?
Dili ba ko na ko? Dili makita si Vincis din ko. Dili wala kayo. Kita mo si Vincis din. Dito ra mo sa mo agad.
Touchdown.
Wala mo.
Break. Grabe na yung break. Ano yung may?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Aguinaldo Airport. SEPCO welcomes you to Cagayan. Time check for your convenience. It is now 25 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 25 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your flight deck crew headed by Captain Reyes and First Officer Farhan, together with your cabin crew team on this flight, we have raised this is Denise thanking you for making SEPCO as your airline of choice. It was indeed a pleasure having you all on board, and we hope to see you again in one of your future SEPCO flights with us. Muli ka na napagkulamang natin sa palipado ng Lagitigan. Maligayang pagdating. Mula sa pangkat ng bumuo sa lipad nito, kami nagpapasalamat sa iyong patuloy na pagtakinig at pagsakay sa SEPCO.